Okay, over here on the CM2 tab, we've got some data here of revenue for different branches of our company. You've got this title row right here, and then the months. And then in column A, you've got all of the branches and divisions. So this is a lot of data. And the problem is when you scroll down, you lose those header columns. So if I'm looking at column K right here, this 719, I have no idea what month it's referring to. Also, if you scroll over a little bit, you lose the row titles. So again, this 719, I don't know which branch I'm in or month. So to make this data a little bit easier to digest, we can use the freeze panes option, which locks cells or columns in place when you scroll. To access freeze panes, come here to the View ribbon, and there's this button right here to freeze panes. You'll notice that there's this option to freeze the top row. In our example, that doesn't do much since it's just a title. There's also an option to freeze the first column. That is helpful for us, but we need rows frozen too. Once you've frozen some rows, to unfreeze, you can click this freeze panes and unfreeze panes, and it gets you back to your regular data view. So if you want to freeze rows and columns at the same time, or freeze more than just one row or one column, you can pick this freeze panes option. However, when you do so, you have to make sure your cell is in the right spot. When you select the freeze panes option, Excel is going to freeze all rows above your active cell and to the left of your active cell. So we want to freeze these right here, and we also want to freeze column A. So we are going to put our active cell in this B3 so that anything above it, these first two rows, will be frozen, and anything to the left of it, column A, will be frozen. We'll come here to the View tab and click Freeze Panes. You can see that it added this line here so we can see visually the panes that we've frozen. And now when I come to this 719, I can see that I'm dealing with the Camden branch in October. I freeze panes all the time in Excel, and so freeze panes is something that I use a shortcut for. There's not a direct shortcut where you press two buttons at the same time, but if you hit Alt, W, F, F, it will freeze panes. That may not seem like a shortcut right now, but after years of hitting Alt, W, F, F, you get pretty fast.